Today I'm going to be shooting the Perfecta 380. The box is a little tore up and everything because it's raining outside. The bullets are not wet, I promise. But we're going to do a little review on it with the LCP 380 plus the Perfecta ammo. Thank you. A little review on Perfecta ammo 380 LCP. It's got some kick to it, not gonna lie. Do another 5 rounds of Perfecta, see how it goes. It kind of seems like it's shooting high. That could be me. Alright, this is the last 5 rounds of it. I've shot 50 rounds so far. I've only had one little problem with it. It kind of, when I went to cock it back and let it loose, it kind of stopped for a second, like a 1/2 inch shy of fully sliding all the way forward. It's kind of weird. But other than that, I mean, all the rounds have went through it pretty much flawlessly. I had maybe a little blowback from one shot. I don't know why. You could feel it just hit you in the face. But other than that, I mean, I haven't had really anything bad out of it. I'm gonna shoot it last 5 shots right quick. This is the Perfecta I was shooting, 380, 95 grain. I don't know if you can see it. See right there where it's ejecting? Yeah, right in there. It did leave some marks on my gun. Brand new gun, but hey, I guess you'll have to break them in one way or another. I don't know, and I don't think it's coming off either, so I don't know if that's normal wear and tear or whatever. I'm kind of new to the handgun thing. The Perfecta is pretty dirty ammo. I mean, you can look down inside the brass and tell it's pretty dirty. I've had a few little nicks on my shell. I don't know if you can see that nick right there from where it ejected, but there's another one, and this one somehow I got a flat end on it on the side right there. So I don't know if I'll shoot this stuff anymore. I got another box of 50. I'll probably shoot it and hope it don't tear up nothing, but I don't know if I'll get it anymore. I'll have to shoot the other box to find out. But I was just wanting to make a little thing on there because I couldn't find nothing hardly on the Perfecta for 380 running through a LCP 380. So hope it helped somebody out. I mean, the Perfecta ammo is really cheap. I think I got it for $12.49 a box. I mean, I paid $25 a box for PMC, so it seems like a pretty good deal, as long as it don't mess up your gun or nothing. But y'all have a good day. Thank you.